I haven't had this recipe in so long. It's been coming to my mind for the last 3 days. It's something that my mom used to make when I was growing up, and it's like 3 main ingredients. That's all you need. That's not including seasonings. So what you will need is some shells. Go for the medium ones if you can find them. Parmesan cheese and ground beef. So these are all my seasonings. The salt is for the water to boil the noodles. Then for the meat, I'm gonna be using fresh black pepper, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, and onion powder, and some sazon. This is 80-20, so there's gonna be some oil. I don't want too much, but I do need enough for the pasta to like let the cheese attach to it. Garlic powder, onion powder, Italian seasoning, sazon. There's my pepper. If you ain't sneezing, it ain't seasoned. Show y'all what it's looking like now. That is flavor. I usually don't make meals like this, so it's okay for once in a while. For me, at least. You guys do what you need to do. I'm gonna boil them until they're al dente. I drained my pasta, and now we're gonna marry the two together. And then we just mix it all together. Show you the reason why you want the medium shells. See that? The meat fills inside those little pockets and it's so good. You want to add your Parmesan. And this is going to also give you some salt, so don't add any more salt until after you do this part. The smell that's coming from this right now, so nostalgic, and it brings me back to my childhood when my mom would make this. Look at the shells, how they fill up with the meat. Taste test it. Yep. Just like my mama used to make. You could add shredded mozzarella, Parmesan, Italian shredded cheese, and sometimes I do, and I have it on hand, and I will. Here's my plate. All done. Gonna add a little bit of cheese on top.